Hi girls, this is Shehla. We are going to do a highly requested tutorial which is about hair. I have washed my hair using a Kerasilk shampoo and conditioner, and now I have wrapped it all in a microfiber. I have lost a lot of my hair in the last 3 months, about 30% of them, which is maybe due to hormonal, maybe due to stress, maybe a nutritional deficiency, because I have been trying to lose weight for last like 3 years. So whatever has happened, I have lost hair, and now the only option I have is to create as much volume as I can with the hair that I have. So let's see how they look. Use a white comb like this to comb through them. Perfect serum for hair and scalp, like a toner for the hair. So as my scalp is oily, it works really well. And then just massage in, volumizing, and I will use it in the bits here. So at the roots only. Flower hair treatment. Ends, as we put them through a lot of hazardous heat, this is the one which keeps the ends in good shape. Hair dryer I am using is by Dyson, my favorite. Emits heat which does not damage the hair. So it is not that much heat as the other hair dryers do, and I find it really amazing and I love this. So let's dry them a little bit, just like this. I am trying to lift them up. I will take a brush like that. This brush works amazingly for the front. Now let's move on to sectioning. I will take tail comb like this. We will need 2 sections at least for the front. It does not have to be the neatest. This part, the other section, I will comb, I will take my brush, so once it is blow dry, I will put on the roller in this area. If it is done, and let's put on the roller. I have these regular white rollers which I have no idea. Many people ask them from where did I get them. I have no idea where I got them from. So these are normally available on Amazon or anything. Just pin that in. Now take off the front. I do the front first because we need most of the volume in this area. So this area requires most of the volume. So we do them first. So the volume remains while we do the rest of the hair. Now I will take another portion. I will do it both ways. First I will do it this way. And leave like that. Now for the front, we'll do the same. I will do the same, and like that. Now I will take all of the front that we did, and then I will take it all together and do whole of it. And now they are ready for the next color, which I am going to do now side as well. Now rest of my hair are left, so we'll take 2 more portions, front and back. So the front one is like where the ears, and this is from one portion of the hair, and then for the other hair we have this portion. So for the back, I will tie them up with a clip like this, so they keeps in place. Now we will do the front. I will take the front half and leave this for now. Brush, take this and repeat. And then I will do the same, and I will keep volumizing, keep taking it up. So I will put in these smaller size rollers in here, which can be through here or through here. So this is done. Now only this front part is left. Let me do this one the same way we did the back one. So this is done. This is how it looks. Let's do the other side the same way we did the one. We're just putting on the heat, coming in, going out. So now it is ready for the rollers. Now we are going to talk about another amazing product which really helps with getting the volume that I normally have in my hair. And also remember, the first day hair have less volume, and the second day hair, because they are drier, they have more volume. So the first thing I'm using is Label M. It is brunette texturizing volume spray. When you take off a roller, like suppose I take this one off like this, I will take it off. I will do nothing. I will just take this tail comb, go in there and back comb it a little bit. So once the back combing is done, I will take the spray and just spray a little bit. What it will do is that it gives an immense volume. See how it is standing here. So let's talk about the next one so you can see for yourself how it works. I take this one off like this, then I take some of it back with my volumizing back combing, and this is it. It gives a very high volume to the hair. This is how the volume you get. So I have taken the rollers off my whole head, and this is how it looks. It's not that bad. It's getting better with time. I'm getting more hair growth. Now for the front, these parts where we need more of the volume, I will go more in with the back combing wherever you feel that the hair needs back combing. Now it is totally up to you. You can either leave it like this, tie them up, tie them on both sides, tie them on one side. This is how I normally do. I just carry it whole like this and this and this and this and this, and get the whole of it back here. Then I use a clip-on like this on the back to hold everything in place. So this is like my favorite go-to hairstyle these days. Now is the time for the hair spray. So you will hair spray a little bit at the ends, and if you have any issues here, this is the hairspray I'm using. Any will do. So this is the finished look of today's blow dry. You can open it up like this and leave it like this. If you like it like this, it's up to you. If you want the tied up look, look at the volume we achieved with these products. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you have any questions regarding these, you can always ask me, and I will be mentioning all the products in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Love you all.